What is up, Glammies? It's your girl Morgan, aka More is Too Much. We are getting ready to head to the Sapphire Bar for my homegirl Lacey and Sai's birthday celebration. It is all black. I did get ready with me. It's on TikTok. Make sure you're following your girl. But I'm bringing y'all with me tonight for all the festivities. So I'm already an hour late, but let's go. Okay, y'all, we are here in park. Jimmy just pulled up, child, and she did not want me to go inside without her. But let me tell you something about Jimmy. I'm not always the most timely person, but if I'm fashionably late, then I don't know what to call my friend. I don't know what to call my friend. Like, she wanted me to sit. I literally talked to her the whole time she got here because she wanted to prove to me that she was going to be here in the time that she said. She wanted to be here by 8:30. It is 8:37, so she's only 7 minutes off, but we're fine. She is hopping out the car. Let's get into our outfits before we even get inside. Like, let's show each other off. Body is giving grown woman. She has BMG earrings on, you guys. Oh, face, yes, worth the wait, worth of every leg. Yes. Okay.
Big mama, I'm a shit talker. You see, I got a few daughters. Yeah. Ooh, period. Give it to them. Look at the motherfucking pants, baby. You look so cute.
Thank you, friend.
Hold on, let's get another look. Oh. I love it. I love it. Oh, you're so cute.
Don't be nervous. It's the birthday girl. Ooh, she looks amazing. Happy birthday. Look at what she did, you guys. The 4 on 10. Because who does not love a champagne? Oh, that is so period. Cute. Look at my bag. She looks so pretty. Hold on, let's just, yes, fool. Give me all of that. What is up, Glammies? Happy Friday. We're about to get in these Atlanta streets. So I know last night I didn't get a whole lot of vlogging in. I'm hoping I can make up for that today because I have some errands I need to run. I need to go to Target, and then I need to go to Tiffany to see if they can clean my necklace. And I also want to see what they can do about my bracelet. I don't know, it's Friday, I might stop somewhere, but y'all come with me, so let's get in these streets. I'm picking the worst time to leave the house because it's like the day is almost over and traffic is gonna be so bad. Bye, Nugget. Love you too. Y'all, Starbucks is having a special, and I'm about to put me a little order in on the app because I need some Starbucks to kick this day off. Even if it's the afternoon, you still need Starbucks to start your day. Not to mention, your girl has a Starbucks gift card for my birthday. I forgot to put that in my purse. I had to go back in the house and get it. Let me tell y'all something. It's 2 apps I'm gonna keep on my phone: Chick-fil-A and Starbucks. Now we can head to Saks. So y'all see all this traffic. This is Atlanta traffic, right? And we're about to come up on the billboard that my friends got me for my birthday. Now my sign is not up there, but I just wanted to show y'all like another angle of why it was so dope that they did what they did, because this is major Atlanta traffic right here, yo. And for 24 hours they had me up there with my favorite rapper. I'm gonna show y'all the exact billboard. So, oh my god, not the bus blocking. Okay, Calvary Christian School, but that is the stadium where the new Georgia Stadium is. Georgia State Stadium, my alumni. And my board, we're coming up on the, where it was. It's over there where it says Park Stadium. Well, I don't know what that says, something park. Okay, y'all, so we're coming up on the sign. This is where my friends had me plastered for my birthday. It's not up there anymore. They did it for 24 hours, but like I said, the significant thing was y'all saw all the traffic, like where we are. Like, everyone saw it. Whether you're going east, west, or into the city, you was gonna see that. And they did that for me. I just had to show y'all the magnitude of what they did. after an hour of Atlanta traffic, we have made it to Saks. I put my jewelry in my bag, and I'm going to try so hard not to get caught up in the fragrancing. Oh, thank you. I'm vlogging. Well, y'all, before I was so rudely interrupted, I had to tell that man I got a boyfriend, even though I don't. But you know, supposed to be weird and aggressive sometimes and don't like to be rejected. But as I was saying, I have an event up here on the 30th with my homegirl. She's gonna be doing it with ball number 9, bringing y'all with, of course. So I'm trying not to get any fragrances right now. I'm trying to hold off until the event because we will also be getting money off, and who don't like a sale? Especially when ball number 9 don't be on sale. Like, bond don't be having sales. Y'all, the customer service in here is so good, but I feel so ghetto because I don't have my Tiffany box and I put them in a sunglass case. So we're going to get my necklace clean. Also wanted to see, I think I want to get some links added to my bracelet because it's a little tight, so we'll see. Look at my hair twin. Aren't we cute? We're gingers. Okay, anyways, I'm good. So I was telling the vlog of my ghetto tale. One, I don't have my bag or my box, so that's okay. But I definitely need to get this clean. It's clean better days for sure. But I really want, and this clean too, but I want to see about maybe getting a link added because it kind of fits a little tight, and I don't know if you can.
Let me see. Yeah, true. I like your nails too.
Thank you. I was about to tell you the same thing.
So we charge by the inch. So
Okay.
we get out an extra inch.
Or
Yeah.
can that be done today?
Unfortunately, no.
So I have to come back for that.
So yeah, for this one, it will take 2 to 3 weeks. And you don't have to pay today too.
Okay.
Here. And then, so this is a 1/2 inch.
Yeah.
So that's 7.5. You think it's a little better?
Yeah, I feel like
Or
that's
a little bit tighter. Wait, hold on.
right there. Yeah, I don't want it to
Yeah,
like
fine.
be dangling up and down my arm. I want it, yeah, I like that.
You want to see it a little shorter? This is 7.25.
I even like that. I don't want to be all up here, you know.
Yeah, I understand. Let me just secure it.
Maybe mark it at that one. I think that one. Because it'll still give me like a little delicacy to it. Yeah,
Yeah?
I think so.
Okay.
At least we get the necklace back today, y'all, so I won't be out here barefoot.
Can I get your phone number as well?
Told y'all I was gonna put my fan in my purse because I get hot fast for no reason. We're not even doing that. I'm just sitting here and I'm hot. Thank you.
So, you know, it'll take 2 to 3 weeks for us to send your bracelet back, cleaned and polished and all. You don't have to pay until it's ready.
Okay.
And this is your contract that you need to sign.
Thank you. But I can get my necklace today, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that'll take like about 10 minutes.
What's
And today's
today?
the 16th.
Thank you. I was struggling.
You're good. I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you. What I love when you buy quality stuff, like no matter how old or how worn or whatever, like when it's quality, these brands are going to take care of you. They're going to ensure that your quality has longevity, and I love that. The fact that they, and I should have gotten that bracelet size centuries ago. I'm so happy that we got it done. Thank you. Thank you so much.
This fragrance okay?
So y'all, I'm really high-key annoyed because Sephora, that location per se did not have what I needed, but at least they called over here to Lenox. I was just at Phipps, so I could have just came right across the street instead of doing the dope whatever. At least they have it, so I'm going to valet my car. And y'all, if y'all watched my story time before, I'm still in my grandmother's car. One is paid off, but when I got into a hit and run, and there is a big dent in my back passenger door, and my handle is off. But I'm still about to valet this car at Lenox, so I don't give a, it could be a beat up Honda, Toyota, whatever. It's gonna get valeted today. Can we talk about how I didn't get home until 3:30 last night because my friend Chad don't know how to go home, y'all? So I did some running around. My camera died, so I had a few more stops yesterday that I made. I went to Target. I had to go actually to the Sephora in the mall after I left Phipps. But yeah, like I got home and I called my friend Chad because he and I didn't get to hang out on my birthday, so I really wanted to make up for that. And I told him to let's go get something to eat. He hit me back like, well, let's go to Westlake's high school 10-year reunion. Now mind y'all, my reunion was trash. Like, to me personally, it was trash. I didn't enjoy myself, and I enjoy tailgates and stuff like that, so I'm like, why not? Let's go. Y'all, I knew it was solid 6 people there, and all 6 of them were not there at the same time, so I felt kind of awkward just bouncing around talking to different people. But from there, well, I mean, I got some numbers too, so it wasn't all that bad. But from there, we went to Blue Cantina. But before we could get to Blue Cantina, Chad wanted to parking lot pimp for literally an hour. So we got to Blue Cantina at 12. I promise you, I think the tailgate was over 10:30, 11 o'clock. But we didn't get to Blue Cantina till 12. It only took all of 8 minutes to get to Blue Cantina from where we were. Then when we get to Blue Cantina, like, I just don't like being out long. And he liked to drive. And due to the fact that I really am a passenger princess, I really don't like to drive all the time. I don't mind getting in a car with my friend, but now I'm starting to mind because friend don't know when to go. We got to Blue Cantina at 12. Like 1:30, I'm ready to go because the place closed at 2. I was really ready at 1. Really 12:45, but I was trying to be a team player. 1:30, I'm walking to the car because it's like I'm letting you know I'm to go, friend. I got home at 3:30. Blue Cantina closed at 2. Do what you want with that information. So, child, I'm just not getting up and rejuvenated. I relayed my hair, straightened it out, and then I just got out of the shower, did my skincare routine. This robe definitely came from Amazon. My new house shoes, super cute, so comfortable. Got these from Amazon as well. And my headband and wrist towels from when I wash my face, these are the most convenient thing because there's nothing worse to me than when you're trying to wash your face and water's running all down your arm and now your whole robe wet. Like, oh my god, that is so annoying. So, and it's all white because white is giving me cleanliness and luxury. It's the small things. We're starting with the small things, luxury in the small things. Speaking of, let's get into what I got yesterday. We pretty much have Tiffany & Co., Sephora, Target. Let's start with Target because y'all weren't with me for that. And it's just really simple re-up stuff. I needed to go get some Neutrogena wipes. I got me another Tide to Go pen because I'm a kid and I just need to be able to keep my clothes together. The Target that I went to actually has a full, Ulta collection in there, so I got two more Anastasia Brow Wiz pencils in dark brown and medium brown. Then I got this new fragrance because Good Chemistry, I don't know if y'all heard of Good Chemistry in Target, but I smelled it before, and the one that I wanted, and I think I'm almost positive it was Tiger Lily, it was not available. And when I went back today, they only had one more travel size. And y'all know me, if I'm not like guaranteed so, I'm gonna get a travel size of it. I do have a vlog that I'm going to do discussing like where to spray your fragrances for longevity, how to make them last longer, just all that type of stuff, because I forgot to do it in my other video and I owe y'all that, so I got you. From Sephora, so somebody told me that the Sephora Micro Smooth face powder is giving the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish a run for her money. I'm going to try her out. I got her in the color Mahogany. I was really torn between Mahogany and Tan, but what I can say is it does have more range than the Mineralized Skin Finish, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm also going to give this One Size Ultimate Setting Powder, and I got it in the color Translucent. I've been seeing the girls reach for this instead of reaching for our good old, our tried and true Laura Mercier. So I got it in travel size. Y'all, one thing about me, again, if I'm uncertain, I'm gonna get in the smallest size so I can be sold before I go big. Try it on myself first, and then if I like it, I'm gonna go back so I can add it to my kit. Before I get into what I was most excited about, my birthday gift. Ciao. Miss Dior, they gave me these. Not a fan. I'm just not a fan. We do have the Youth Capture Age Cream. Okay, because the girl is going to, I will forever be 21. In the face at least, for sure. Lastly is my birthday gift. So I got the Tatasha Dewy Skin Cream. I love being a beauty girl. I really do. So it comes with the soft cream cleanser, which is actually the rice wash. Then we have the replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin dewy skin cream. Lastly is the liquid silk canvas featherweight protective primer. Apply to skin after SPF and before any makeup. I love this brand. I had their dewy finish setting spray, so I've really been dying to try this stuff. So I'm super happy that I was able to snag it. Slightly annoyed I had to go to another location, still super happy I was able to snag. So I was able to get my Tiffany necklace cleaned. They actually gave me another satchel for it that says Tiffany Co, just giving the girls glam. I just had an epiphany. I need to go to Tiffany. Tiffany on my it's always slippery. Oh, Tiffany. Okay. I did have to send my bracelet to New York. The price of being that girl, honey. Sometimes things have to get sent off. But yeah, that's what I got done yesterday. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you stay tuned for the fragrance vlog. I owe y'all that. I'm about to make myself cute and come back and give y'all that content. You can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, y'all, and I will check y'all next time.